Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to apply texture in Blender. I have this example objects 3D box, and if you want to apply texture you can click this icon material properties. Now we have this default materials and I will set like into brick for the name. To set texture you can click in base color in dot yellow and click for image texture. Click open in here and search for your texture. For example, I will use this texture, and you can see this nothing changed in these models. You can change into this option shading view, and the material will be automatically applied into this 3D object. Now, how to edit this texture? You can create new window, like I will create in here, new window. Now I will change into edit mode and set in here this window into UV editor. This for UV editor. Like I will set into polygon selection and select in this plane. You can select this option, these objects, and press scale button S to scale like this, or you can scale in Y-axis. This for Y-axis. Now we can move by pressing G like this, so it will be automatically edit the texture in these objects. You also can rotate into 90 degree like this, and now we already edit in this face. The other face you can select again like at these polygons, and you can edit these objects. Okay, that's it, how to apply texture in Blender. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.